everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 10th to the 14th of January 2022 on Monday. Sunday desperately report Mazette's kidnapping to the police. Teddy pleads with Bongani to make him understand the breakup on Tuesday. Bongani's children shows up at Zodwa's doorstep. Tati grows envious of Mazette and Plumani's growing bond on Wednesday. Mazette's stay at Pumlani bothers Tati. Zodwa gives Sibongile the silent treatment on Thursday. The Molefers comes to regret their action toward Pumlani. Sibongile find herself at the mercy of Zodwa on Friday. Tati and Pumlani seal the deal with a kiss. Bongani's step to save Sibongile from homelessness. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.